The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report, and we begin with news on the market, where gains by Carreras, JMMB, and Scotia Group helped to trigger advances in the Jamaican stock market indices today. The main JC index advanced by 443 points, or 0.5%. 19 stocks traded, with 8 advancing, 4 declining, and 7 holding firm. Over 1.2 million shares worth $8.3 million changed hands. Winners included Berger up 6%, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, JMMB, Lascelles de Mercado, Sagicor Life Jamaica, and Scotia Group. The losers included DNG, Lime, NCB, and Pan Caribbean Financial Services. While other sectors of the services industry underperformed in the latest quarterly GDP growth figures, tourism continues to shine. Preliminary figures provided by Tourism Minister Wickham McNeil and Tourism Director John Lynch indicate that this year Jamaica had its best ever September in terms of visitor arrivals. Dr. McNeil told journalists at a media breakfast at the 22nd edition of the Tourism Trade Show, JPEX, that arrivals for September grew 6% year over year and that 9-month arrivals grew by 3% to almost 1.5 million. On the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar gained 5 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $89.98. However, the Canadian dollar lost 46 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $91.25. The sterling declined by 16 cents Jamaican to close at $145.10. The licensed financial institutions sold $32 million or 8% more than what they bought. On the international commodities market, benchmark West Texas Intermediate crude for November delivery declined by 59 cents or 60 basis points to close at $91.89 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The market was reacting to Spain's continuing economic woes, as well as the fact that traders are nervously awaiting Friday's U.S. job numbers, which have taken on added significance as the U.S. presidential elections draw nigh. Now finally, did you know that the average Taiwanese worker's work week without overtime is more than 40 hours? Taiwan's Council of Labor Affairs says in 2011, 50 workers' deaths were blamed on excessive working hours. The Taiwanese have a culture of hard work, but only recently have officials begun to acknowledge that overwork exists and that it kills. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.